my friends, this is our Google Meet expectations. So, for the first 4 weeks of school, we are going to be meeting what's called on this program that's called Google Meet. And what that is you're at your house, in our classroom, and I'm going to teach you over the computer. So, I know my friend Asen has done this last year, right? Asen, you're an old hat at this. Did you meet with Ms. Rolls and Ms. Boucher over the computer last year? All right. So he knows what to do. So these are our expectations. First one, say number one, is pay attention. So I know this is your house. Yeah, you're at your house, and you probably have a lot of things going on, or you might have brothers and sisters running around, or you might have moms and dads doing their work and getting ready and doing all that fun stuff. But I'm going to ask that while we're together, that you do your best to pay attention to what's going on in our lesson. All right, sounds good. Number two, come prepared. Now, today you don't need much supplies, but there's going to be days when you're going to need your math journals or your pencil. You're going to need some things. So when I say come prepared, that means have your materials ready. If I might even ask you to bring other special stuff depending on what the math lesson is. And so do your best to come prepared, and I'll try to let your moms and dads know what to bring. Rule number three is be respectful. That means if someone else is talking, do your best to listen. To listen when someone else is talking, and I'll get your friends to listen to you when they're talking. We're going to use kind and nice words to each other. We are going to do our best to collaborate and to share and show respect. And then the rule number four is have fun, because learning can be fun. I think learning is fun, and so we are going to have lots of fun today.